Hi, we are 34-engineering students, MET. Now we are finalizing our project for the DSD. We have made a lot of thoughts about the problem we want to solve. So guess what is the most aching problem among us as students nowadays? It's waking up early. Every day we try to wake up to catch the first slot or the first lecture or the first tutorial, but unfortunately most of the days we didn't catch the bus. We think that the solution is the Ragi alarm. It's like a carpet that will make a sound for you to wake up, and it will not stop unless you woke up. You wake up and you stand on it for 30 seconds, or you press on it like 2 times. You will have a button on it and you will press on it 2 times. The technique for the project and how it will proceed. First you have to set the clock. Like you bring any new mobile, you have to set the clock first to know what is the time now. Then you set the alarm, and when you set the alarm, you switch on the button that you have set the alarm, so that our comparator begins to compare the alarm you set with the clock right now. When they are the same, the buzzer turns on and it turns a sound. Actually, the sound will make you wake up, and it won't stop unless you stand up and press on the button 2 times, or stand for 30 seconds. And now my colleagues will explain the whole process and how it will go on in details.
Now I'm gonna talk to you about our module that is an alarm. This module is used in our project. This module takes as an input 2 inputs only. The first is an incrementer for the minutes. The second is an incrementer for the hours, and it makes an output of four segments on the screen. The first 2 outputs for the hours, the higher and the lower bit, and the other 2 are for the minutes, the higher and lower bit. These 4 bits are used to be screened on the 7 segments in our project. Thank you.
In the module of the clock, there are 2 options. The first option is the regular clock. It operates normally as any digital clock. It shows the current time for 7 segments, 2 for the minutes and 2 for the hours. They are shown next to the 7 segments of the alarm, which occupies the same number of 7 segments. The other option is adjusting the clock, whether because the project is first time to operate, so we need to give it the current time, as any clock else newly bought, or if the project has been halting for some time, so we need to give it the current time to operate. And then the clock operates normally and shows the time.
Now we are now seeing the project. So the first 4 segments are for the alarm, and the 4 other segments are for the clock. Now we can see that after some time the clock minutes will increment by 1. And now it's incremented. Now if we turn on this switch, and press one of the buttons to increment the minutes, to change the minutes of the clock, to set the clock, and the hours of the clock to set it. And now we set off that switch to work as a original clock. Now if you want to set an alarm, we will push the buttons normally, and now it's working on the alarm. And if you want to turn on this alarm, we turn on the switch. Now it's set at 2 minutes. We have to wait for them to listen to the alarm. Now only 1 minute left. It's ringing now, and we push the button to stop it.